Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? Fine. Very good. Open your science book page 28. The topic we are going to discuss is food and diet from unit number 5. Okay. Hurry up. Take out your book and open book page 28. Hurry up beta, hurry up.
Environment is the surroundings in which people, animals and plants live. The environment belongs to all living things. So it is our duty to care for the environment. It is important to keep the environment healthy. Plant a tree to make a healthy environment. Let's learn more about the environment. Reduce, reuse, recycle and repair are known as the 4 R's to help you remember what should be done to keep the environment healthy. Click each image to know more about the 4 R's. Reuse waste materials. Do not throw them away.
Empty oil tins can be used as flower pots. Just make a hole in the bottom and paint them over.
Reduce the use of plastic bags. They spoil the environment. Recycle plastic, paper, tin and rubber. Repair damaged things instead of throwing them away. Click Next. You have learnt about.
Now beta, make a list of 3 healthy and unhealthy foods in your notebooks. Okay? Hope you understood this lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye.